Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix audio issues in OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is where you'll monitor all your audio sources in real time. You need to verify that desktop audio is moving when sound plays from your computer and that mic/aux is moving when you speak. These visual indicators confirm that OBS is detecting your audio sources properly. While you're checking the audio mixer, make sure neither source is muted. If you see a speaker icon with an X through it, that means the source is muted. Simply click the speaker icon to unmute it and restore audio to that channel. Now, in the upper left corner of OBS, click on File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens the main configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of OBS, including audio settings. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Audio. This section controls how OBS processes and captures sound, and it's crucial for resolving most audio problems. Navigate to sample rate at the top. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select 44.1 kHz. This is the standard sample rate for most audio applications and ensures compatibility with most devices and platforms. Below that, you'll see Channels. Click the drop-down menu and select Stereo. This setting enables two-channel audio, which is what most users need for streaming and recording. Look for Desktop Audio. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Default. This tells OBS to use your system's default audio output device automatically. Make sure Desktop Audio 2 is disabled. Click the drop-down menu and select Disabled. Having multiple desktop audio sources active can cause conflicts and audio glitches. Navigate to Mic/Auxiliary Audio. Click the drop-down menu and select your microphone from the list. This ensures OBS is capturing audio from the correct input device. Click Apply, then click OK to save your changes and close the settings window. Now we need to check your system's audio drivers. In the bottom left corner, click the Start button, then type Device Manager and click it from the search results. This utility allows you to manage all hardware devices connected to your computer. Double-click on Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand that category. Right-click on your sound devices, then select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now scan for the latest driver updates and install them if available. Outdated drivers are a common cause of audio issues. In the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the speaker icon in the system tray, then select Open Sound Settings. This opens Windows' main audio control panel. Navigate to Output. Below it, click the drop-down menu and make sure the correct output device is selected. This ensures sound is routed to the right speakers or headphones. Below that, navigate to Input. Click the drop-down menu and make sure the correct input device is selected. This confirms your microphone is properly configured at the system level. Click Manage Sound Devices. Navigate to Output Devices and review the list. If you see output devices that can cause audio issues, simply disable them by clicking on the device and selecting the Disable option. Go back to Sound Settings, then scroll down, click on App Volume and Device Preferences. This feature lets you control audio levels for individual applications, including OBS. Adjust the app volume as needed to balance your audio sources properly. Finally, close the sound settings window. Your audio issues in OBS should now be resolved, and you should have clear, properly configured sound for both your microphone and desktop audio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.